Think the future is stuck in movies. Think again. What if everyday things were different? Imagine ditching your phone for a world of possibilities at your fingertips. This is the future. This is transformed. Humanity's relentless pursuit of progress has woven a remarkable tapestry of technological advancements. Today, we stand at the precipice of a new era, where the threads of innovation are poised to create a future brimming with possibilities. This video delves into some of the most transformative technologies set to reshape our world in the coming years. Prepare to embark on a deep dive into the incredible potential that awaits us. Let's begin with artificial intelligence, AI, a technology that has transcended the realm of science fiction to become an increasingly ubiquitous presence. From the virtual assistants that grace our smartphones to the recommendation algorithms that curate our online experiences, AI is subtly reshaping our interactions with technology. However, the future promises a quantum leap beyond these initial applications. Advancements in deep learning and machine learning algorithms could lead to the birth of artificial general intelligence, AGI. Imagine sentient machines capable of independent thought and problem-solving on a human-like or even superior level. This paradigm shift has the potential to revolutionize every facet of society. In healthcare, AI-powered doctors could analyze medical scans with superhuman precision, identifying subtle anomalies and generating personalized treatment plans that optimize patient outcomes. Imagine a world free from misdiagnosis and a future where diseases are tackled with unparalleled efficiency. Another transformative technology is the Internet of Things, IoT. The IoT envisions a world where everyday objects, from our thermostats to our refrigerators, are imbued with the ability to collect and exchange data. This interconnected ecosystem promises to usher in an era of unparalleled automation and efficiency. Homes will transform into intelligent entities, seamlessly adjusting lighting, temperature, and even appliance usage based on our preferences and routines. Cities will become living organisms, utilizing a network of sensors and data analytics to optimize traffic flow, manage energy consumption, and even anticipate potential emergencies. Imagine a future where traffic congestion is a relic of the past and cities operate with a level of efficiency previously unimaginable. But the revolution doesn't stop there. Quantum computing, a technology still in its nascent stages, holds the potential to unlock the very secrets of the universe. Unlike classical computers, which rely on bits that can hold either a 0 or a 1, quantum computers utilize qubits. These qubits can exist in a superposition of states, simultaneously holding a 0 and a 1. This seemingly paradoxical phenomenon allows quantum computers to perform calculations that would take traditional computers eons to complete. This mind-bending technology could revolutionize drug discovery. By simulating complex molecular interactions, quantum computers could design life-saving medications with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Imagine a future where diseases are tackled at the molecular level, leading to breakthroughs in treatments for illnesses that currently have no cure. The line between reality and the digital realm is also blurring rapidly. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are poised to transform how we experience the world around us. VR, by immersing users in entirely simulated environments, could revolutionize training simulations for professionals in fields like medicine and aviation. Imagine surgeons practicing complex procedures in a virtual operating room before ever stepping into a real one. On the other hand, AR overlays digital information onto the physical world. This technology holds immense promise in education, allowing students to interact with 3D models of historical landmarks or dissect virtual specimens in biology class. Furthermore, AR applications could be invaluable for maintenance tasks, providing technicians with real-time information and instructions superimposed on the equipment they are working on. Imagine a future where learning becomes an immersive experience and complex tasks are streamlined through the power of AR. Blockchain technology promises a revolution in trust and transparency. Imagine a secure, decentralized digital ledger that can track transactions and ownership of data with unparalleled security. This could revolutionize everything from supply chain management to secure voting systems. Space exploration, reaching for the stars. The human spirit of exploration extends beyond our planet. Advancements in propulsion systems and resource utilization could enable us to establish permanent settlements on the Moon and Mars. Imagine a future where humanity is a multiplanetary species, pushing the boundaries of scientific discovery. Advanced robotics, partners in progress. Robots are no longer confined to factory floors. Advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics could lead to the development of highly dexterous and intelligent machines capable of collaborating with humans in various tasks. Imagine robots assisting surgeons in operating rooms, performing complex construction tasks, or even providing companionship to the elderly. By 3D printing, shaping the future one layer at a time. 3D printing technology is rapidly evolving, allowing us to create three-dimensional objects from digital models. Imagine a future where 3D printing revolutionizes manufacturing, enabling on-demand creation of everything from personalized medical devices to complex building components. Renewable energy. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power are becoming increasingly important as alternatives to fossil fuels. Advances in renewable energy technologies are making them more efficient and cost-effective, leading to their widespread adoption and helping to mitigate climate change. These are just a few of the incredible technologies poised to shape our future. From revolutionizing healthcare to propelling us into the cosmos, these advancements hold immense potential. However, it's crucial to acknowledge the ethical considerations that accompany such profound change. We must ensure responsible development and equitable access to these technologies. The future we build depends on collaboration and foresight. A future where technology empowers us to tackle global challenges, fosters creativity, and uplifts humanity as a whole. This glimpse into tomorrow paints a picture brimming with possibilities. The technologies we explore today hold the power to redefine our world. It is an exciting time to be alive, a time where the seeds of tomorrow are being sown. What aspect of this technological future excites you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue this conversation about shaping a brighter tomorrow together. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay on the cutting edge of what's to come. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the latest tech trends. Also, be sure to click on those inspiring and motivating videos and shorts on the screen to keep you inspired and entertained. Stay tuned for our next video as we continue to uncover the innovations shaping tomorrow's world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep dreaming big. Thank you, and see you in the future.